Hey, it's Jonathan. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this video finds you in good fortune. Recently, I've been covering Project Catalyst proposals, and I've had a number of people message me and ask, um, they're interested in what I'm talking about, but they don't quite understand what Project Catalyst is or questions along that lines. So I wanted to take a step back and create a video covering exactly what Project Catalyst is and uh, how you can participate in it so that you'll understand what I'm talking about when I talk about these projects that are putting proposals forward. 90% of everything really is knowing the language. When you're learning something new, you need to understand what the words actually mean before you can grab conceptualize what someone is talking about. So that's what I'm going to do in this video. I'm going to cover what Project Catalyst actually is. I'm going to talk about how you can participate as a Cardano holder and possibly how you can even put your own proposal forward. This will be a launch pad into that. This will be an introduction into that, and maybe that will be another video down the road. So the Cardano blockchain, the foundation of it is governance. You have the stake pool. By holding the ADA token, you're not only holding tokens that are on a blockchain that are the Cardano blockchain uses the ADA token as its a gas token, or where you can purchase and trade, a form of trade on the blockchain. But by holding the ADA token, you're actually holding a stake in the Cardano ecosystem. And that's why they say, that's what you can stake your ADA. When you stake your ADA, you stake your ADA to a node, and that allows that the nodes are actually what produces the blocks that create the transactions on the blockchain. The gas fee for when you complete a transaction on the blockchain, it gets separated into a couple categories. Some of it goes to the people that are hosting the stake pool or the node operators. That's their payment for actually processing the transactions on the block. The other portion of it goes into another portion of it goes into a treasury, and that from that treasury, the Cardano blockchain has set up basically a grant system. So there is a grant system, and that grant system is called Project Catalyst. Just as I'm in the United States, just as we have a grant system to further research and development. These grants go to colleges to promote research and development into fields that the government is interested in supporting research and development in. So the Cardano blockchain has a grant system to further develop the blockchain, to build tools on that blockchain and projects on that blockchain. So what happens is every so often there is a proposal period, and then there is a voting period. And the way that everybody can participate on a real high level, the way everybody can participate is you stake your ADA. So you commit your ADA to one of the stake pools. I'll go into staking. I will actually show someone on staking how to stake. I'll do another video on that. But and then you register to vote. You need to have at least 500 ADA in your wallet. You register your wallet to vote, and then you can vote on the grants that are going to be given out. So people put in proposals. And what I've been doing is the videos I've been releasing, those are the actual proposals people are proposing, things to build on the Cardano blockchain, and they're going to receive a portion, whoever wins the grants basically will receive some ADA or receive funding to build their project. So when I say I'm going to cover a Project Catalyst proposal, then those are the proposals that you can vote on. I'm going to show you how to vote today. This video is mainly going to be focused on voting, how to register to vote. We have the registration snapshot is going to be taken in a couple days, and so I'm going to show you how to register to vote. Look, if you have more than 500 ADA in your wallet and you're staked, make sure that you register to vote, because that's your right. That's your portion. That's your right to do, and as a ADA holder, is to have a say in the direction of the blockchain. The Cardano blockchain governance is built right into the base of it, right into the core of it is a governance system. It's a decentralized, automated, governance system that the holders of the ADA token are allowed to participate in to, direct the future of the blockchain. So let me show you. Now this is you can you can participate with Project Catalyst in pretty much any ADA wallet. I'm going to show you how to do it in the Eternal wallet today. Uh, there's a lot of great information in the Eternal wallet concerning the Project Catalyst, uh, and it's easy to set up how to vote. So we're going to do this in Eternal today. If you're a more savvy user and you're more familiar, then you can do this in any wallet, but I'm just going to show you how to set it up. Now, if you don't have an Eternal wallet, if you have another wallet and you want to vote but you don't know how to do it, or you just want to download the Eternal wallet, you can actually put your seed phrase in and set up where how you restore a wallet. You can actually restore your wallet that you've created in other Cardano wallets. You can restore it in the Eternal app, and it will pull your wallet right up in the app. So you don't have to create a new wallet if you don't have an Eternal wallet. All you have to do is restore your wallet with your seed phrase in the Eternal app, and you'll have access to your wallet, your existing wallet, through the Eternal app. All right, so we have a timeline here. This is going to be some info. After you have your wallet set up, you need to have your 500 ADA in your wallet, and you're going to go to the tab here, this voting tab. Under the voting tab, you see we have info, we have app, we have pin, and we have transaction. These are the steps that we're going to take to vote. You can see that we have Fund 9. We are in Fund 9. So this is, previous was Fund 8. We're currently in Fund 9, which the registration snapshot is going to take place in a couple days. And next will be Fund 10, right? So this is the timeline that shows the next snapshot is on the 4th of next month. So we have a couple days. You need to be registered by the 4th of next month to take to participate in the voting. And the snapshot, the power snapshot, voting power snapshot, will be taken on the 4th. Now the voting power snapshot, what it does is it takes a snapshot of how much ADA that you have in your wallet, and this gives you a percentage of power voting. So the more stake you have in the Cardano blockchain, the more voting power that you have. The voting is going to start on the 11th. So you'll be able to participate in voting from the 11th to the 25th. And you do receive rewards for voting. So it's not only that you're holding ADA and you can vote, but you're actually going to receive rewards for voting. And then the results will be released on September 1st. Now, if you want to go look at proposals that I haven't covered yet, that I haven't had time to cover yet, there are, thousands of proposals here at Ideascale. So you can click on Ideascale, and this is where you'll go and read the proposals for yourself. There will be a brief description when you go in the voting, when you go to vote. There'll be a header description of what category it's in, and then there will be a description, a brief description of what the project, the proposal consists of. But Ideascale is where you can really dig deep and find out what someone is proposing, who the team is, and things like that. That's really where you want to do your research. You also can follow the Project Catalyst newsletter, and then they have Telegram groups and things like that. You can click on community chat and commute there. Also listen to the previous town halls. So great resources. So that pretty much covers the information about voting. So let's go on to the app. So what we're going to do, you really can't see it. There's a next button right here. But I'm going to click on the next button, and it's going to take us to the next step. So now we're in the app phase. So in order to participate and vote in Catalyst Fund, first you have to download the Catalyst mobile application to your phone. Okay. So the voting is done through the Catalyst app on your phone. So you know how to do a QR code, scan the QR code, Apple or Google, and download the app. Okay. Make sure that you have the official app. There's always scams when there's money being distributed. There's always scams. Okay. So just follow these QR codes is probably the safest way to do that. Okay, so then we're going to go next. Okay, so now it's going to ask you to create a pin. So we're just going to create some kind of pin here, and it'll ask you to enter it again, and then you're going to hit next. And then transaction. So you'll put your spending password in for your wallet. So you'll enter your spending password here. Now I've already registered to vote, so I'm going to skip this and I'll take you to the next stage. But it will tell you, it'll tell you right here, make sure to keep your account balance above 500 ADA, at least until the voting round starts. Otherwise, your voting key registration would be dismissed. Okay, so make sure you keep at least 500 ADA in your wallet until that happens. Okay, so once you put your spending password in and you sign it, then it's going to automatically direct you over here to settings. All right. Now, after you've done that, you will see a section appear here called Catalyst Voting. All right. Now, I'm not going to open it up, but you'll see it says Show QR Code. This QR code is a code that you register in the Project Catalyst app that you've downloaded on your phone in the prior stage that we just completed. So it's going to show you a QR code. All right. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to log into the Catalyst app that you've downloaded on your phone, and it will ask you to scan the QR code. So with the in-app scanner, you will scan the QR code, and then you're going to enter that PIN that you created in the previous step. And that will register who you are on the in the voting app and allow you to vote when it comes time to vote. And it's just that simple. So when the day comes to vote, you can scroll through the different categories, find the projects that you believe should be built on the Cardano blockchain that should receive some funding to give them a kickstart on the Cardano blockchain to help them build their project. You'll vote on those projects. And that's basically it. The beautiful thing about this is that what you need a wallet to do this. I'm going to cover some other areas because I've had more questions about not just what Project Catalyst is, but what other things are, like what is an NFT, right? So I'm going to also cover some of that in other videos. But the beautiful thing about the blockchain is that when you receive when the NFT ID comes out, we start operating in Web3 with NFT IDs, you're going to be able to verify who you are without ever giving anybody any of your information. And it's very exciting what is going to happen. You won't, like now you have your ID, you give somebody your ID, they verify who you are by the information on the ID. Well, when Web3 comes out, when we start using Web3 and things roll over into that, there's going to be a verification system of who you are without ever having your personal information having to be transacted. We will touch on that more in in other uh, in other videos. Okay, so let me. I'm going to tell you where to go from here. If you want to find out more about Project Catalyst, maybe you are a programmer, you want to build something on the blockchain, and you would like to see if you could become funded. Your project can become funded in the Project Catalyst, maybe in the next round in Fund 10. The I'm not going to go into all the details, but the best place to start is you can go to Twitter and go to the Project Catalyst School. They will give you updates on new things coming up concerning Project Catalyst. They have their link tree here where you can join their Discord, their Telegram group. What is not listed on here, unless they've updated, what is not listed on here is the actual Project Catalyst school website. Now, this is a new feature that they've just released. I've already gone through one of these classes and just an introduction to Catalyst, learn about Project Catalyst, the process and stages. This really breaks down the different stages, exactly what happens when you put a proposal forward. There's some other courses on here, and I'm sure they're going to expand to this. They're going to expand on this where it will show you exactly how to put proposals forward, what's required. But this is a great place to start if you want to become involved. Maybe get some of that grant money or the Catalyst money or in your project funded. So I really encourage you to become involved in the community. Cardano is much more than a blockchain. It really is a system of governance, and it's very exciting what's happening, what's taking place. And I just encourage you to become involved. But this is the first step. The first step is putting ADA in a wallet and actually being a voter, becoming a voter in the system. So. All right, that's about what I have for you today. Look, I hope you found this video informative. If you did, comment on the video, like, subscribe, share the video. Sharing the video is the best way to spread the video. Share the video also. It helps the algorithm if you comment and like the video. If you have a Catalyst proposal that you'd like for me to cover, I'll be happy to take a look at it and consider it. Also, if you want to help support the channel, I encourage you to become part of our blockchain friends list, and also support our blockchain friends. Is a great way to support the channel. The project, if you have a project, just comment on this video. Tell me in the comments of this video about your project, or if you have a project that you like and you'd like for us to see us cover. Just comment that down in the and tell us and tell everybody about that project in the comments of this video. I really do appreciate it. We've got some giveaways. You see our blockchain friends over there. We've got some giveaways going on, and the links to our blockchain friends are in the description of this video. So you can reach out to them. We have a new blockchain friend, Cardano Land. So just make sure you check them out. And that's about what I have for you today. Look, y'all are beautiful, and I will see you next time.